What is up, everyone? Jose here. Today's video is going to be pretty short, not too long. I just wanted to share with you a new accessory that I got for my truck, or accessories. And so pretty much I have a black, midnight Rivian R1T, and I wanted to block out the emblems on the truck. Now, originally what I ended up doing was I went and bought some Plasti Dip, which is a material spray can thing that you can buy over at Home Depot or Lowe's or online, and it lets you spray it on pretty much anything to make it black. They sell different colors. I bought like Satin Black, and so I did that, and that came out really well. I put it on the Rivian letters on the back of the truck, as well as the R1T badge on the back of the truck. No issues with that, but when it got to trying to do it to the little Rivian letters that sit on the side of the door or the front emblem, it was really difficult to do, mainly because I wanted to keep that yellow outline that is behind the logo, but Plasti Dip was really hard to do that. I guess I could have done it with more patience and taping around the areas and all that. So anyways, long story short, ended up not doing that, ended up messing up the emblems on the doors and taking them off. No big deal. So a couple weeks ago I was searching the internet and saw that Abstract Ocean, which is a company that sells accessories for Tesla and Rivian and all that, and apologies for the fire truck behind us, and they sell accessories and all that. They came out with a Satin Black emblem replacement kit for the Rivian R1T and the R1S. So I went on their website, Abstract Ocean, and bought the Rivian R1T Satin Black emblem kit, which is shipping right now. The R1S kit will be shipping shortly. They're just finishing up some details on that. So I bought the R1T emblem set and I put it on the truck, and I'll show you guys. We're gonna walk around the truck and take a peek at it and show you how that was, and then at the end I'll come back and we can share a little bit more about it and how you can save some money if you wanted to buy it yourself. So let's go ahead and take a look around the truck, and I'll show you the blackout kit from Abstract Ocean. All right, we're gonna start out in the back here. So as you can see, the Rivian logo, the big letters, that was the logo that I originally Plasti Dip, so I removed that and replaced it with this version. Now, I goofed up putting it on. I taking off the old one was a little difficult because you have to remove the old adhesive. It's just a pain in the behind to do that. But I reached out to Abstract Ocean and said, hey guys, I messed this up. They were super duper helpful. They were able to break open another package and charge me just the difference to get that emblem replaced with the adhesive properly. So I was able to put it on. Getting it to align is definitely quite a task, but once you get it aligned, it looks great. Super duper easy to put on. I tell you, the hardest part is just getting the adhesive off the old one. Got the R1T badge right here, which is in satin black with the line in yellow, which looks great. Again, that was easy. Took the old one off, put the new one on. So that's what the back looks like. Again, I think it looks great. I think that the black would look great on almost any truck, but here's what it looks like on the Midnight. Let's go over here on the passenger side. We have the door emblem that says Rivian. So originally, I had taken these off, the silver ones. Once I got this kit, I bought it. As you can see, it's satin black with yellow around. So it just pops out really nicely. It's like an emboss effect, which is really neat. Putting this on again was pretty easy. I just aligned it to the door there with the pack it comes on and straightened out, and looks great. Moving to the front of the truck here. This one is the easiest one. This is the main emblem here. As you can see, black with yellow on the insides. Looks great. This one just pops right off, and then you just put the new one on. It already comes very easily. I think that looks great with these yellow hooks, which again, you can get those at Abstract Ocean. And then I also have the yellow fog light tints, which I got from twraps.com. So again, that looks great. And then Finishing up over here, again, the same as the passenger side, you have the door side Rivian logo, as you can see there, just so you can see what that looks like. Super duper easy to put on. You do need a little bit of patience, I recommend, but looks great. Right, so that's the Abstract Ocean Satin Black emblem replacement kit. You're pretty much replacing the stock badges that come on the Rivian. It's easy to do. Just have patience. Don't be like me and mess up the back because you don't have patience. Take off the adhesive, use a heat gun or a blow dry to help take that adhesive off. You could do like me as well and go on Amazon and buy yourself a rubber wheel, and I can link it below in the comments or in the description. A rubber wheel attachment you can attach to your drill, and that helps remove the adhesive from the vehicle without damaging the paint, which is really good. So you can do that. It's like $8 or $9 or whatever, and then that will be super duper easy to do. The retail, this kit retails I think for $89 on Abstract Ocean's website, but I reached out to them and said, hey, I'm going to be making a video about this. Would you guys be willing to create a coupon code or something for me to get the listeners and viewers a discount? And they said yes. So you can save 10% off of your entire order, not just the emblem kit, but pretty much anything that Abstract Ocean sells, by using the coupon code Rivian Tracker, TRACKR, so no E, at checkout, or just use the link that I put in the description below. That will take you directly to my affiliate page through Abstract Ocean and get yourself a 10% off your entire order. So you can get whatever you want. If you want to get the yellow hooks, black hooks, I mean, they have tons of Rivian accessories. I highly recommend them. They're really awesome, super friendly. So shout out to Abstract Ocean. Thank you for that. And yeah, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this little video. As usual, do not forget to subscribe, like, and thumbs up the video. I have more content in the works. Just wanted to give you this little quick accessory review here. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks again, guys.